Hi teachers, this is Amy Chaplin from pianopantry.com. Today I wanted to show you a quick way, an easy way that you can scale down your printable area in order to print the MTNA Music Study Award certificates. Sometimes I like to use an actual certificate paper that looks like this. Now this kind of paper has a really wide border on it, and if you print the certificate in its full scale, it's going to go out onto that border. So what we're going to do is we're going to scale it down so that it will actually fit properly into the middle of the certificate. Now it took me a little trial and error because the first time that I did it, what was wanting to happen was it's printing like this, and I had to try to figure out how do I center it. So I thought I would help you out. So what you want to do first of all is make sure that you open your document in Adobe. If you try to open your PDF in a browser such as Chrome, the option is not available on the print screen in order to center it the way that you need to. So use Adobe. You're just going to simply go to print in the upper left hand corner here, click on the print button. Under pages to print, open up more options and then click on current view. What that's going to do is that's going to center it. If you click back on all and go down to custom scale, click 75% and then click outside the box, you're going to see that that's going to make it be off centered. Okay, so when you click on current view in the print pages to print area, that's going to recenter it for you. I think that's pretty much it, and then you're just going to want to hit print. Now, I would recommend that you don't print immediately to a certificate, just print on a regular piece of paper, and then what you can do is you can actually just then hold up your regular piece of paper, you know, to the light against this certificate paper behind it, and you can see pretty well whether it's going to fit properly. So whatever your paper you're using, you might scale it a little bit differently, but do a few test runs before you use your expensive certificate paper to print all of them. I have wasted many pages doing that. So go ahead and hit print and you should be good to go. So good luck.